guys gonna send it?
Yeah, bro.
Start it.
So there's some exciting news that just dropped. Tell me about it, how did it come about?
Yeah, I'm sitting here in front of a 450. I'm going to be riding 450 outdoors for HRC Honda, and I'm excited. The deal came about a couple weeks ago. Obviously, Roczen got hurt earlier this year, and they have an open spot, so been working on getting my feet in there and you know, talking to the Honda guys, and obviously I already ride a 250, so yeah, it just worked out. I'm happy to have gotten this deal, and it's an opportunity of a lifetime to ride a factory bike and you know, in one of the best teams out there. So I feel like I suit a 450 well, especially outdoors, and I've actually raced more 450 outdoors than indoor or than 250. So all around, I'm just happy. Obviously, I have a stalker here right now. I'm just riding this for a couple days until I jump on the factory bike, but I'm just happy that GEICO Honda made it happen, and they're kind of letting me jump on this team and take advantage of this opportunity. Yeah, so in 2011 when I went pro, I rode 450 outdoors, almost made it a whole season before I got hurt, but then the next 2 or 3 years I was 450 outdoors. So did quite a bit of 450 outdoors, more than 250. And I'm a bigger guy, taller, and I feel like I fit this bike really well, and just my riding style. I don't like to rev the bike, and you know, I'm kind of a smoother rider, so I fit the 450 really well, and you know, I think that's going to help me big time going into outdoors, and you know, I don't know where I'm going to fit in with these guys. You know, that's the big boy class, so I'm going to go in there with an open mind and just try to do my best. Yeah, Supercross hasn't gone the way I planned. I had high hopes going into it, and obviously my results aren't there. I've only had one podium this season, and it's been kind of a mess, just all around. A lot of crashing, just a lot of mistakes on my side. But I've been working on it. You know, I'm still healthy, and I'm just plugging away each weekend and taking it race by race now. But yeah, 250 season or Supercross has been terrible for me, but now that I'm going to be on factory Honda 450 outdoors, it's going to help with confidence, and you know, I should fit right in there with those guys. this whole new bike. It came out obviously last year or this year, and I have yet to ride it, so I've just been watching people ride it and I've been jealous, but finally got to get one, and no, I love it right away. Suspension, chassis, everything just feels comfy. You know, right away the first lap I was, you know, good to go, and I rode last year, and it's a big improvement for sure, and just suspension and the whole setup is awesome, and I know the factory bike's going to be even better, so looking forward to that too. So I'm excited to ride factory stuff and be on a great team. I'll be full GEICO Honda setup gear-wise, and then on a factory HRC bike. It kind of works out perfectly with you know, being able to pretty much stay in my setup and then just be on a different bike. And then I'll be out of the factory Honda truck, and I'm not sure about the mechanics wise, but either way, it's going to be an awesome experience. I'm looking forward to it. Goals are to be there every race and top 10 for sure. I know I'm capable of that. Top 5s would be great for me, and then you know, it's the elite class. There's so many top guys, especially right now. It's so packed, and there's so many factory guys. So I have the bike now, and I have the fitness to run, you know, with those guys. So yeah, I'm not gonna say where I'm gonna place, but just gonna try my best and try to fit in.